Hello, this is one of a series of videos that will walk you through the use of sewing machines here at Milton Public Library. To begin, each sewing machine comes with a sewing kit. The kit will be in a clear container like this, and within you will find the following materials: one cutting mat, fabric scissors, one embroidery scissors, one pinking shears, one rotary cutter. We will also have a variety of safety pins and pins related to other needs depending on the projects, as well as sewing machine needles. You will have a series of sewing clips within your kit. You will have a pencil, a pen, or a fabric marker that's water soluble. You also have two bobbins in your kit. Additionally, you will have one seam ripper, you will have one threader. They look like this. You will have a measuring tape, hand sewing needles to finish some projects, as well as a ruler. Now, depending on the project, there may be additional materials that are added to the kit, or we may not use the kit. We may use instead a tray filled with different materials as required. It may change depending on the program, but for the most part, when using a sewing machine at Milton Public Library, you will have the associated kit. Thanks so much for now. The next video will cover a variety of ways we can navigate the use of the actual sewing machine, including the threading and use of bobbins.